Cornelia. Welcome back to my channel. You guys like my new hair? Yeah. If you like it, comment below. Leave a thumbs up. And my little headband, I like the colors. This is my first video since we reached a little over 100 subscribers. I'm still like on cloud 9 with that. I can't believe that I reached that little milestone. So now we're shooting for 500, y'all. We're shooting for 500. So I just want to thank everybody again for subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me because it's like an outlet for me to connect with you guys, because I work from home and I'm in another state and I'm basically by myself out here. So you guys are like my friends in my head now that you're part of the crew. You know what I'm saying? And I am loving like all the comments and the feedback for the No Negativity November. Everybody's like really with it, if that makes sense. Like, I think after the election and just this whole year, and as the holidays are coming, people are just trying to protect their peace. And that's all I be trying to tell people, you know, because so much is going on, but now it's really for us, no matter who the president is or whatever your situation or whatever your outlook is on that particular topic. We, the people of the world, truly are the ones that are going to make the changes that we want to see. So I just try to project that in my videos. I'm really learning myself more and changing myself more mentally, because it's very important to have a good headspace in order to, you know, do anything else. So that's why I was really pushing for you guys to get that book, Think Like a Monk. I'm not telling you, and I'm not changing to a monk because, you know, that's just not for me. But the book, what it gives you, the insight, I'm telling you, it'll blow your mind. You really don't realize like the smallest things, like with how you breathe or how you think or your intentions or the energy you put out. Just slowing down. I was talking to a subscriber in a previous video and on Facebook. She's a new subscriber. Hey girl, hey. But you know, we were just saying, like, she said she was talking to her sisters about it, and that's just all I'm trying to push for people that come across my page or just want to talk to me on a personal level, because I'm very easygoing to talk to. I'm always available to talk if you guys want to, but it's really good to like have those conversations about protecting your peace and just slowing down. I was telling her, like, the pandemic has really made me realize that I need to slow down, you know, and really that means with how I say things, how I go across in life and work towards things. So that's what I'm working on for No Negativity November. But before I get into what this video is about, because I'm always trying to like give you guys positive things and stuff like that, I want to shout out everybody who ordered last week from my candle line, Black Pride Candles. Sorry, I have a pet peeve. I sold a little over $200. I know that's not a lot of money, but for a small business, and I'm just starting out since March, end of March, April of this year, that's a lot for me. I had one person that ordered 6 of my candles alone. So it just meant a lot to me. My weekend was really, really a blessing. God really showed out. If you guys follow me on my social medias, I was talking about that. You know, I was manifesting all weekend that I wanted to do 20 orders, but I did less than that, but that's okay. But as far as money wise, it was nice, you know, to see that people really support you. So thank you to everybody who caught that sale. It was an early bird Black Friday, so just stay tuned on blackpridecandles.com. I'll have everything in the description box if you guys are interested. And yeah, we're gonna have another sale for Black Friday. That was just like an early bird. But I always tell you guys, if you sign up for the newsletter, you still get 10% off your first order. So yeah, I have some Christmas stuff. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me get down. Those are my Christmas buckets. and these two, the red one right here and then the one next to it, are my two Christmas scents, candy cane and Christmas cookie. And I'm going to be sending with the Christmas orders. I found these guys. They're little Christmas face masks, you know, the disposable ones, but they're cute, right? So yeah, I'm going to be sending this with any Christmas orders that I get going forward. There's a whole bunch, so don't worry. I'm not, when I pack my orders, I always wear gloves and pack them, so I won't be, you know, touching your mask that I send with you. But I always tell people, and I was doing it when the pandemic first started, always spray your mask with Lysol spray and just let it air out. I do it, and I haven't gotten, you know, the C yet, God willing. But yeah, these I'm gonna be sending out. I think they're so cute for the holidays. So yeah, so today's video is gonna be kind of short. Yeah, we're already 6 minutes in, so I don't know what I'm talking about. But anyways, I wanted to talk about for No Negativity November. I try to stay on a positive aspect with my family. I'm a very family oriented person. There are family members that I do not speak to for, you know, what have you, whatever reasons, or they don't speak to me. That's okay. Everybody is not everybody's cup of tea, family or friends. But since moving down here, I've gotten more close to my mother's side of her family. And a lot of them are down south, but I'm also learning that a lot of them, I have cousins that live like not too far from me in Florida. I also follow a group for my mom's side of the family on Facebook, and I've just been connecting with them. So family is always important to me, and I wanted to choose to do the Ancestry.com thing, the DNA test, y'all. So they had a sale. That's why I bought it. It's originally like $100, but I caught it on a sale. One of my cousins, Karen, told me about it. She sent me the link, and it was like $59. I think it's still going on if you guys are interested. But yeah, it comes in like a little box here. It took about the 7 to 10 days that they said. It, you know, the mail is just all over the place anyways with the pandemic. But yeah, I wanted to do this because I know a little, I don't want to say a little, I know a lot about my mom's side of the family, but I want to learn more about my dad's side. So the page that I follow on Facebook is just my mom's maiden name side. So, and I'm close with her family, and I knew my dad's mom and stuff like that, but I was younger. I was like 3. So a lot of my memory of the history with his side and stuff, for some reason, I just can't remember. So I'm doing the test. So it comes with this little kit, and this is not sponsored. I bought this and did this all by myself. But yeah, they give you your code. I'm not going to turn it over because I have to activate it. So this is the pamphlet. It tells you how to activate it. And then inside the box, you get like a clear bag to send your sample back in. And then this is the solution in the spit tube where you put your spit in. Maybe they can let me know if I have the C, right? What you think, guys? I don't know. It's the same thing, right? And then they send you the box to send it back in. So I'm going to do this today when I'm done recording the video for you guys. And yeah, it's a cute little kit. I always seen it. I'm just very curious. Some of the stuff that I learned already on my mom's side, things that I didn't know, is interesting. So I'm curious and can't wait to see my dad's side when I do it and show my family, because like I said, I'm very family oriented. We are a very close family, but some family I don't speak to, and it's not for any particular reason, just, you know, that's family stuff. But at the end of the day, I would love, I guess those relationships that have ended have opened up doors to see who else I am related to. So living in Florida now, coming from New York, I'm just hearing that I have cousins here and there, and plus I'm closer to the South. So now, you know, hopefully next year I can make some trips to like Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, and get to meet and hug and love on my family that I don't really get to see as much as I did my other family back in New York. So I just wanted to share this for No Negativity November. Despite if you don't talk to some of your family, it's nice to get one of these done and see who you're related to, so you're not dating your cousin or your nephew or whoever. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? So but yeah, I just wanted to come on and show you guys this and let you know that I think the sale is still going on. I forgot to check before I came on for you guys, but right now they're running the sale, I believe, for $59. They're originally $100 for this little swab test, so that's not bad. Or spit test, sorry. So yeah, let me know in the comments below, have you ever done an Ancestry DNA? Is it really as fascinating as people say they are? Yeah, let me know. Let's talk. You guys already know, No Negativity November. That's what we're doing, all positive stuff. I hope you guys have a great week. My week is starting off good. Yesterday was kind of a low day. I was a little exhausted from the weekend, and just this daylight savings is just got my body all everywhere. But yeah, so yeah, and don't forget to join or enter May. I got a whole bunch of stuff, guys. I posted it on my Instagram, and I didn't put it in the description box for that video, but yeah, just follow me on my IG. It's part of the rules for the giveaway anyway, and you can see what I'm giving away. And nice talking to you guys. I hope you guys have a good day, and just keep in contact with me. Let me know what's going on, how you're feeling, what's going on in your mind, how's your Tuesday going, all that good jam. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.